students, let us sing for the letter S. S says S, S. Snake in the grass go S, S. What sound you can hear? S, S. S says sir. S, S, S. Good. Hello students, let us sing for the letter T. Come, sing along with me. T, 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 T. T says T, 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 T. T, 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 T. T for tiger and T for truck. Which sound you can hear? Say, say, say. T, T, da, 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 da. Good job. Students, let us start with the next letter U. So, which sound you can hear with the letter U? U says short O sound, that is A. Okay. For this sound, you can place your hands on your throat, press your throat. Which sound you can hear? Yes, it is a sound. Let us sing the song for you. You says You says umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Very good. Good job. Hello students, my next letter is V. Come on, sing along with me. V says W, 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 W. V for violin, W, W, W. Good job. Hello students, our next letter is W. So come on, sing along with me. What is the sound for W? You round your lips. W, W. Come on, let's put it in song. I see the winds blowing, wah, wah, wah. I see the clouds moving, wah, wah, wah. I see the winds blowing, wah, wah, wah. Good job. Hello students, how are you doing? Our next letter is X. What sound you can hear with the letter X? Come on, let's put it in a song. X is X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. X is fox, fox. It can come in the beginning of the letter or at the end. Very good. Which sound you can hear with the letter X? X, 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 fox. X. Very good. Hello students, our next letter is Y. Come on, let's sing the song for Y. Y for yuck, 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 yuck. Y says yuck, yuck, yarn, yuck, yuck, yarn, yuck, yuck, yarn. Y says yuck, yuck, yawn, yuck, yuck, yawn, yuck, yuck, yawn. Good job. Y says yuck, yuck. Very good. Hello students, our next letter is Z. Z. Which sound you can hear with the letter Z? Come on, let's sing the song. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z is for zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. Z is for zigzag, zigzag. Good job. Z says z. Very good.